Hey car enthusiasts! Today, we have a treat for you. The legendary Morris Minor is back with a stunning 2025 convertible that combines classic charm with cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into this beauty and break down what makes it a must-see for every car enthusiast. Starting at the front, the 2025 Morris Minor convertible stays true to its iconic heritage. The rounded headlights pay homage to the classic design, but with a modern LED twist that gives it a striking look. The bold, sculpted bonnet lines flow seamlessly into the signature grille, which is updated with chrome accents, embodying that retro feel we all love. Moving to the rear design is simply stunning. The classic teardrop shape of the taillights pays homage to the original model, but the new units boast cutting-edge LED technology, giving it a sharp and futuristic look when illuminated. The subtle curves at the rear, paired with subtle chrome detailing, give it a sleek yet sporty look. Under the hood, the 2025 Morris Minor Convertible is more than just a pretty car. This car packs a punch with a 2.0L turbocharged engine that produces 220 horsepower. This means you're not just riding in style, but performance as well. This car is perfect for those sunny weekend drives, or when you want to hit the open-top highway. With a lightweight chassis and sophisticated suspension system, expect a smooth and agile ride that will surprise you at every turn. Now let's get inside. The 2025 Morris Minor convertible blends luxury with nostalgia. The leather seats feature a retro-inspired stitching pattern, ensuring comfort and style. And while the dashboard may remind you of the 1960s, it's packed with modern technology. The fully digital instrument cluster, sleek infotainment touchscreen, and ambient lighting give it a 21st century feel. In short, the 2025 Morris Minor Convertible is the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern performance. Whether you're a history buff or looking for something unique and stylish, this convertible delivers on all counts. What do you think of this stunning vehicle? Let us know in the comments.